Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the MOVA Mobius 60. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, up at the top of the unit, we have our cover that's removable. So just pop that up and out of the way. It's just held on by a couple of magnets. Our unit is powered on, so if your unit's not powered on, make sure it's charged up and it has enough battery life to power on. So press that power button if needed. Ours is on, we have our blue light there, and you'll notice we have this little blue light here where it says reset Wi-Fi. This is how we factory reset everything. This is not just a simple restart. This is a full-fledged factory reset. So just like it's good as new, coming right out of the box again. So if you want to do that for whatever reason, grab a tiny tool like a SIM removal tool, paper clip, something like that. We got to press and hold this button for a couple of seconds. So the light itself is the button. Give it 3 to 5 seconds.
Restoring to factory settings.
We got the voice prompt saying it's restoring to factory settings. So we let go, and now we just wait. It'll kind of cycle through, and it'll start back up. So all the lights just went out. Now they're coming back on. Everything should be booting back up, and the factory reset will have been complete. Reset Wi-Fi lights on now too. Got the startup music. Solid blue light, blinking light. The module's going to go up, back down.
MOVA Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download app to view more operations.
So we're back to initial setup with those prompts for us there.
Task smoothly. Place robot back into dock before starting tasks.
So there you go. It's back to the beginning, ready to be set up again and installed just like you took it out of the box on day one. So that's how you factory reset the MOVA Mobius 60. Grab a tiny tool, press and hold the reset Wi-Fi light button for 3 to 5 seconds till you hear the voice prompt. Then let it power cycle for about 30 seconds, and then you'll be back up and running again to set it up like new.